Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this short video I will teach you how to scan QR code in Instagram app on iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. Guys, scanning QR codes on Instagram allows for instant access to profiles, promotions and exclusive content, enhancing your social media experience. So to scan QR code on your iPhone, firstly you have to open the Instagram application. After opening the Instagram app, now click on the profile icon at the bottom right and then click on share profile. Your QR code will be displayed on the screen. If you want, you can save it, download it and share it on social media. And if you want to scan QR code, then click on QR icon on the top right side and scan the code. So guys, I hope you all know how to scan QR code in Instagram. That's it. Like and share this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.